So this is the set. There's one or two pieces missing because my daughter already went crazy with this. This is one of her favorite things to pretend play with. She loves playing doctor. It comes with whatchamacallit, a play cell phone, little tongs for it, everything. I'll read it off as I'm showing you guys as well. It comes with the briefcase, everything. So cute. So you got the fake, every time you click it, fake thermometer here. You got the fake little syringe, little eye thing, or ear thing. You got the reflex. Okay, it also comes with fake band-aids, a little pincher, cell phone, and glasses. This is like the blood pressure thing. And it actually interacts. How cute is that? And it also comes with a stethoscope that you can hear someone's heart with. It is so cute, okay? And super affordable. Like, that's what I love, is that it's simple, easy, and affordable. Like, to me, that's everything. If you're going to buy these things and spend money on them, you know, especially things that kids can destroy at this age, you want them to be affordable because you need to replace anything, that's fine. Again, this cute little suitcase of everything, and it has a few other pieces. Don't go by what you see right here. A few other pieces that do belong with it. My daughter went to town on this and probably lost a few pieces already, because she throws pieces here, pieces there. So I finally cleaned up her room and I found these and put them all back together in here. Again, love this.